Check out the Small Fry Aquaponic Systems from Nelson & Pade, the most trusted name in aquaponics. The Small Fry Aquaponic Systems allow you to raise fish and plants in an integrated, sustainable system. You feed the fish waste breaks down and provides nutrients for the plants, and the plants help to clean the water for the fish. With an 18-gallon fish tank and a circular plant bed, this system is a dynamo producer that takes up very little space. The small size makes it ideal for a classroom or as a food-producing attraction in your kitchen or home. The rotating circular plant bed creates a beautiful, dynamic growing environment. The Small Fry is aesthetically pleasing, easy to assemble, and ready to grow. The setup is easy and the operation is simple and fun. The Small Fry includes the equipment you need to get started in growing fish and vegetables in a compact, proven system design. Just assemble, add water and fish, and you are ready to grow. The Small Fry is available in 3 different packages. Each is a great starter aquaponic system for school or home use. The Small Fry 1 and 2 each sit in a 28-inch by 28-inch area. The Small Fry 3 has 3 of the circular plant beds and sits in an 84-inch by 28-inch area. You can grow ornamental fish like koi or goldfish, or food fish such as tilapia. The plant bed will support lettuce, herbs, peas, beans, and a variety of other small plants. Order your Small Fry today and get growing in aquaponics.